Anthony Creek here with Creek Manufacturing and DTGPrinterParts.com. We are trying to make the world smaller with our newest promotion. What I mean by that is free express shipping on liquid products to customers here in the States and free international ground to Canada. Okay, how this promo works, I will explain, but we also got something else to discuss as well, and that is our E-Series Vivid inks. The links to the products that are being talked about are in the description below, along with the promo codes that I will go over as well. Right now, with our E-Series Vivid inks, we've just released it. We've got lots of customers that are experiencing great results and like the cost savings that they're getting right now. So right now we've got a special deal that ends July 13th. This is the only time that we are going to do this, that we've ever done it. And we just want to get as many people converted over as possible. And we want it to be cost effective for you. So anyhow, the deal right now is $449. And that includes 2 liters of white and 500 milliliters of each CMYK. All right. So take advantage of that deal right now. Okay, now I'll go over the shipping options. Now, the shipping options for the website is basically, you type in S as in Sam, 2 as in the number 2, and then day. D as in dog, A as in apple, Y as in yellow. Okay, now if you type that into the checkout, once you reach the $150 minimum, any liquid products or small items, we can ship second day free to you no matter what state you're in. All right, so just type in that promo code. If you have some film or something like that, that is going to ship separate. So we're only going to guarantee liquid products for now. Okay, if you have something small like nozzles, that'll probably go second day as well. Okay, so what you do is you type in that promo code. You'll see a bunch of options, grayed or crossed out. Choose any of the second day options and we'll ship it second day free. Okay. The international ground to Canada, it works the same way, but you type in Free Canada, all in caps. And also the other promo code has to be in caps as well. So the promo to Canada though, it will include anything. So as long as you meet the $3.99 minimum, you'll get free shipping to Canada. If you are in a state that is about 2 business days from us, your order will probably go ground because we don't need to ship express to you. It's about 2 business days to you. That will go ground. So just to make that clear. So take advantage of this deal right now. The express shipping and the free shipping to Canada is going to go on for 2 weeks. We're going to try it out. It could be a permanent thing. We're not sure what we're going to do with it, but please take advantage of it. Tell a friend, share the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Keep us in business. Buy our products so that we can keep providing great service and great items to you. Also, just remember, take advantage of that E-Series Vivid inks and switch over to us now. That set is basically $110 per liter because you get 4 liters in that package. Buy it now. Thanks for watching and thanks for all of your support since 2008.